Every time you send money across a border, you're using tech from the 1970s. It's slow, it's expensive, and it's broken. But while the world stares at Bitcoin, a sleeping giant is quietly rewiring the entire global financial system. It's called Stellar. Today, we're breaking down what it actually is, why the biggest institutions on Earth are using it, and how this one asset could literally retire your bloodline. Let's dive in. Stellar isn't trying to replace banks. It's trying to make them work together. Think of it as the email for money. Launched in 2014 by Jed McCaleb, the guy who co-founded Ripple, Stellar is an open-source network designed to move value. Its native currency is the Lumen. Here's the magic. XLM acts as a bridge. If I want to send US dollars to someone who needs euros, Stellar converts that USD into XLM, sends it across the world in 5 seconds, and pops it out as euros on the other side. The cost? Virtually zero. We're talking $0.00001 per transaction. You could do 1 million transactions for the price of a cup of coffee. Utility drives value. Unlike meme coins that rely on hype, XLM is built on real-world adoption. MoneyGram integration. You can now walk into a MoneyGram location with cash, turn it into digital USDC on the Stellar network, and send it anywhere instantly. Asset tokenization. Businesses are using Stellar to turn real-world assets, like real estate or gold, into digital tokens that can be traded 24/7. The unbanked. There are 1.4 billion people with no bank account, but who own a smartphone. Stellar gives them a bank in their pocket. When the world's biggest payment rails start moving trillions of dollars through a network, the bridge, XLM, becomes the most valuable piece of digital real estate on the planet. So, how does this retire your bloodline? It's about the great wealth transfer. Right now, the world is moving from analog finance to the Internet of Value. We are in the dial-up phase of crypto. If Stellar captures even 5% of the global remittance and B2B payment market, a market worth trillions, the math gets wild. XLM has a fixed supply. As demand for the network goes up, the scarcity of the bridge asset kicks in. Some analysts see XLM hitting $1 to $5 in the short term. But if it becomes the backbone of central bank digital currencies, we aren't just looking at a trade. We're looking at a foundational asset for the next century. The window for generational entry points is closing. While the crowd chases the latest trend, the smart money is looking at infrastructure. Stellar is the infrastructure. It's fast, it's green, and it's already regulated in ways most coins aren't. Is it a guaranteed moonshot? Nothing is. But in a world where money needs to move like light, Stellar is the speed of light. Do your own research, but don't ignore the giant until it's already awake.